Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back in with another video. I know, different setup, so let's get into it. So I am making a new channel. Don't worry, this one's not going away. The new channel is basically going to be other stuff, not tool related, like it's going to be some vlogs, it's going to include possibly me gaming, and going to be doing like movie reviews. Like, I'm a huge nerd. Pokemon, Marvel, DC, all that stuff. So that channel is going to be just that stuff. Going to do some podcasting in that as well. So the name of that channel is Dan's Restorations Unscrewed. um, so that's what that is. Still going to be making videos for this channel. I got some ideas of some stuff I want to do soon. So yeah, it's channel's live right now, and by the time you see this, I should have one video up there already. So check it out. Also, check out my brother's YouTube channel. That will be down in the description below as well. He's doing a giveaway right now for two $25 Cabela's gift cards. All you have to do is subscribe and then like that video where it talks about it. And yeah, that ends this Friday. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, everyone.